The mandate of an educational institution can go to as many versions of resolving problems and initiating important projects. But what sets apart an institution which delivers goods of best practices is its consistency to search for breakthroughs in any given situation, like passive eras of times of crisis. For this is the home of almost 10,000 students, faculty and administrative personnel. Zamboanga City State Polytechnic College has been gaining grounds for new heights and a stable abode for academic standards and structural empowerment. In the year 2017, the college played witness to the multi-million turnaround infrastructure project to place ZCSPC in the arena of palpable infrastructure upgrade. 102.8 million pesos poured into the institution to replenish its structural limitations in lecture rooms, laboratories, and workshop. This is a version of the government's Build, Build, Build project infrastructure getting its physical manifestation in the very soil of the college. There is a value of consistency for an educational institution to carry through its vision to be in the league of the best polytechnic colleges in Southeast Asia. In its aggressive stature, 4 new buildings and 1 building completion projects started construction in fiscal year 2018 with a staggering cost of 102 million pesos, including a 4 million 2-story building implemented through the DPWH in 2018. In 2019 and in the coming years, the eyes of our stakeholders will be glued to the important vertical structures of the college, to wit, the completion of Academic Maritime Building, Phase 7, refitting of Garments and Textile Building Shop Laboratory, 3-story Social Science Building, 4-story Engineering Building, and Construction Repair Rehabilitation Academic Building or IGB. 2018 will not be remembered with an unprecedented equipment and machineries upgrade for the engineering, technology, and maritime engineering programs, including the procurement of the remarkable 21 million pesos bridge simulator, a highly sophisticated maneuvering simulator which introduces deck cadets to complex realistic simulation environments in the professional maritime live experience. Milestones after breakthroughs, January 2019 is a pivotal year for ZCSPC as it is officially converted into a university by the virtue of the Republic Act 11187, authored by the former Congressman Celso Lorenzo Lobregat, converting ZCSPC into a state university, Zamboanga Peninsula Polytechnic State University. In addition to the many significant milestones, ZCSPC left 2019 with a spectacular achievement in research and development. A record-breaking 35 industrial design registrations were produced by the College of Engineering and Technology and the College of Technical Education faculty. The patents, which are slated for transfer of technology and utilization in select communities, were successfully registered with the Intellectual Property Office in December 2019. The bar of excellence did not waver in the onset of 2020 as ZCSPC has embraced digital transformation in teaching and learning. Known as the Massive Open Online Course or MOOC project, the college has embraced the learning technology and platform that is used by 942 top universities in the world. MOOC is a hybrid learning management system which can capture the principles of blended, flipped, and distance education learnings. Because of the MOOC project, the institution's paramount vision to regional and international integration, as well as a crisis-responsive preparedness in terms of teaching learning modalities, is now closer than ever to realization. Just recently, July 6 this year, ZCSPC launched the My E-Class ZCSPC. A 20.6 million peso procurement package was allotted for the learning management system software and broadband upgrade. This is where both the faculty and students can journey the academic experiences that can attest to technological advancement and quality of education. To comprehensively transform the college into a digital institution, it has initiated a software-based enrollment and admission process from a 4.5 million funding from CHED. As they say, the road can be tested anytime. COVID-19 ravaged the world because of its health risks to as many human beings everywhere. ZCSPC responded head-on by pumping up its laboratories and workshops to mass-produce personal protective equipment for the frontliners in Zamboanga City. The college has been a source of inspiration to many government and private institutions to go on the fight the pandemic. Because of its organic creativity, the college successfully won a 15 million peso grant from CHED to further mass-produce PPEs and innovative food for its frontliners and stakeholders. ZCSPC never runs out of innovativeness and responsiveness to the community. It implemented the food production training for its extension services, food packs for the stranded students, healthy snacks for frontliners, 8,000 units of face shields, 7,500 units of face masks, and 100 units of foot disinfect trays. ZCSPC will always be on its toes on whatever climate it may be in. It will continuously glide to the tide of quality and consistency. In fact, it will never forget its blueprint to be compliant to Industry 4.0. The college is investing today for the Education 4.0 that will dominate the learning and professional scenes in the next decade. A 10 million peso project for welding training system is up for actualization through the project. Improving teaching and learning of engineering and technology programs through updating of facilities to produce graduates with technical skills aligned with the requirements of Industry 4.0. Another 10 million peso project is in the works for the enhanced teaching and learning of engineering and technology programs through acquisition of e-learning solution as a flexible response to pandemic and to produce graduates with technical skills aligned with the requirements of Industry 4.0. Upholding the organization's efficient performance, ZCSPC continues to speed up its infrastructure developments amidst the disruption in most of the operation these days. As to the status of all ongoing constructions of various ZCSPC buildings, the actual accomplishment of the Social Science Building as of July 26, 2020 is 83.05% with negative slippage of 16.95%, while the construction of Engineering Building started as takeover contract. Last January 6, 2020 has a new total duration period of 390 calendar days and a new target date of completion on March 27, 2021 from November 30, 2020 due to the ECQ Enhanced Community Quarantine with 57 days and granting the contractor with time extension of 60 days due to the GCQ General Community Quarantine that caused the construction to slow down with the guidelines that allows them to have only 50% of the manpower. As of July 26, 2020, the actual accomplishment is 27.55%, which is behind of schedule against the target accomplishment of 34.57% with negative slippage of 7.02%. Whereas the construction of the refitting of garments and textiles shop laboratory classrooms started last January 6, 2020 with total duration period of 380 calendar days and a new target date of completion on March 17, 2021 from November 20, 2020. The actual accomplishments of 25.28% is behind of schedule against a target accomplishment of 26.42% with negative slippage of 1.14 as of July 26, 2020. Moreover, as part of the upgrade of facilities program, just recently, the college purchased and had complete delivery of the new vehicles passenger van NV350 1,624,980 and Asian Utility Van Innova at 1,392,118. The academic year 2019-2020 officially had its batch of 1,624 graduates who had their virtual graduation ceremony last July 30, 2020 with the BOT Chairman, Commissioner Perfecto A. Alibin as the commencement speaker. In preparation for the incoming academic year, ZCSPC is actively engaged in the capacity training for teachers in the new normal setup, both for the blended learning and teaching mode and for the modular approach modality. The newly acquired learning management system of the college is now fully operationalized. Despite the threat on students' health as impacted by the COVID-19, the academic year 2020-2021 first semester still registered a total of 6,708 officially enrolled students, with the College of Engineering and Technology leading the list with 2,304 enrollees, followed by College of Teacher Education at 1,402, College of Technical Education at 701, College of Arts and Humanities and Social Sciences at 536, College of Maritime Education at 386, School of Management and Entrepreneurship at 359, Senior High School 174, ZCSPC Extension Program at ATVS 108,
ZCSPC Extension Program at Vitali 222, and ZCSPC Extension Program at ZSPI 516. The college continues to wave its banner high as ZCSPC becomes the seat of authority with the election of Dr. Cabral as the regional chair of PASUK 9 and president of the MAST Mindanao-wide. In pursuit of upholding social responsibility in this time of health crisis due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the ZCSPC continues to be innovative by making the possibilities happen through equipping the workforce of the institution. The skills training for the production of quality health food products doled out to the community, particularly to the frontliners of the city of Zamboanga. The College of Engineering Technology spearheads the conduct of the skills training on baking and food processing among ZCSPC faculty and staff. There are 4 training courses offered: baking malunggay and calabaza cookies, baking buko cookies, processing pickled papaya, and processing pickled mixed vegetables. There are 3 batches of trainees for each training course to maintain the physical distancing among the participants. A 5-day training is conducted for each batch of the different training courses. The HFP Extension Program started last June 8, 2020 and will end on August 28, 2020. As of August 7, a total of 91 trainees had participated in the training program with a total of 3,640 training hours. In addition, 3,972 packs of cookies and 853 jars of pickled papaya were produced by the trainees from the different batches, and these products were already distributed to the frontliners of the different medical facilities, barangays, quarantine control check operations, and other vital private and government offices and organizations. The monumental achievements of ZCSPC over the years, specifically in the 3 years under the leadership of Dr. Nelson P. Cabral, are attributed to the unwavering support of the governing Board of Trustees of the institution, headed by the unfaltering support and unprecedented dynamism of the Chair of the Board of Trustees, Commissioner Perfecto Alibin. Moreover, we express gratitude to the members of the Board of Trustees for the efforts and assistance extended, which are undeniably significant in the institution's exercise of social responsibility. DOST Regional Director Martin Wee for the assistance, the PPE design and the materials for the PPE production, the father of ZCSPC and former Congressman Dr. Celso L. Lobregat for donating an average of 300,000 pesos for the PPE materials, the face shields and the face mask. SOFIL President Jade Riccia for the boxes of sardines donated for ZCSPC stranded students and for the cloth of the face mask. The college deans, faculty, and the entire ZCSPC family for the unfailing support given to the administration.
The future landscape of education in the coming years may seem uncertain. ZCSPC is determined to live up to its mandate and its dream to be the leading polytechnic university in Southeast Asia.